Begin by getting into a comfortable seated position. Feel your body waking up. Lovingly close your eyes and tune in to your body. Notice how it feels as you're awakening. What sensations do you notice? Just become the curious observer. Observing the flow of your breath. Any feelings your physical body is experiencing. And as you observe, whatever you notice, you lovingly accept, letting it be perfect as it is. And as you honor and accept yourself, you begin to feel appreciation for another beautiful day. It has been said that life is meant to get better day after day after day. Then you think about that. You consider for a moment, what would it be like if each morning I awoke, knowing with certainty in my heart that today is an even better day than the day before? This would mean that each day you are living is the greatest day of your life thus far. Take a deep breath into this. Today can be the greatest day of your life so far. Hold your breath at the top, and when you're ready, exhale with a sigh. You feel a sense of possibility as your breath returns to whatever pace feels good to you. You get, in a very deep way, the possibilities are limitless. You've been given the gift of another day, not without reason. You are here today to love, to follow your heart, to pursue your desires. All is well, and you are in the right place. Tune in to a sense of knowing within you that you're exactly where you're meant to be. Today is meant to be full of love. And tune into a deep knowing that it is quite possible that today can be the best day of your life thus far. Notice how your body feels. Become aware of your heart in the middle of your chest and a couple of inches inwards. Tuning into your heart's energy center. feeling the immense love that exists here for you. And you begin to see a color, or perhaps a blend of colors. Trust what comes to you in your heart, glowing as a radiant light. Trust what you see. Even if you just have the vaguest sense of something, that's perfect for you right now. Begin to become appreciative to this heart light, feeling thankful almost as if for no reason. And you realize there are many reasons, but you don't need any of them, for this appreciation you feel is unconditional in nature. You appreciate your heart just because you do. And with that appreciation, your heart light begins to grow and expand. Until it eventually becomes a giant sphere of light all around you. As you feel yourself resting in your heart light, tune in to any sensations you notice. Trust any positive, uplifting messages you receive here. And with those messages and those feelings within and around you, you feel yourself very much now like the sun, rising, radiating over the day. You are rising with your light just as the sun is rising with its light. You feel yourself as radiant, alive, free to shine your light today. All is indeed quite well. You are loved, and you are love. You know this now deep within you. And in that knowing, your heart light grows and glows brighter and farther. And you take this radiance with you as you allow yourself to slowly shift your sit bones from side to side. Feel the energy coursing through you as you begin to roll your shoulders, really feeling your body coming online, radiant with this energy, glowing like the sun. And when you're ready, take your time as you open your eyes back to the world around you. Enjoy the rest of your beautiful day, dear love.